Hi y'all, I'm Grandma EE and this is a video from Helen, Georgia. And if any of y'all have never heard of Helen, Georgia, it's a German town and it's very unique, and we're going to show y'all some unique and wonderful German food as well as some of the sights. So stick around and watch the video with us. This is the mason jar, and I just had one of the best cups of coffee you've ever had. It was the mason jar latte, which had lavender, vanilla, and honey in it. It was absolutely delicious. And there's a giant bear. This is Willie the Wildwood Bear. Check it out. Two of my granddaughters. Say hi. One with a good attitude, one with not. They have such unique stuff here. And right up here is the Swiss German Plaza. This is Tim's Wooden Toy Shop. You like that? Ah, you see what she likes?
Yeah.
I like Princess.
That's a castle.
Can I brought it?
Let's look. Here we go, Hansel's and Gretel's candy shop. They make homemade candy apples. And it smelled really good, but I will say it was pretty expensive. Here we go. We're gonna have a dog made out of a balloon. Check it out. What do you think?
It has the tongue out, like.
Here you go, take it. You like it?
There you go.
It made me jump.
It's a happy flower. There you go.
Say thank you.
You like it?
Here, put this in his box.
Thank you. You're awesome. Have a good day.
And there is the Heidelberg. Isn't this an amazing town? This is a Wurst platter. It's Knockwurst and Weisswurst. Red cabbage, sauerkraut, and German potato salad. German Reuben sandwich with German potato salad. And some more braten with red cabbage and glazed carrots. Tonight we're at Mueller's famous fried cheese restaurant. Authentic German. What are we having?
Venus Schnitzel.
Chicken schnitzel. What are you having?
Grilled cheese with fries.
What are you having?
Chicken schnitzel. Also, chicken.
And what are you having? And there is my chicken schnitzel. And Wiener schnitzel. Fried cheese. And chicken. Or Wiener schnitzel. Jaeger schnitzel. It's good. What's it on it? Good morning. This is day 2 in Helen, Georgia. It is 7 o'clock in Tennessee, where we're from, but it's 8 o'clock here in Georgia. We had a really good time yesterday, a really good time last night. We did a few things not on camera. This morning, we are going to go to Nora's Mill, and then we're going to go over to Fred's Peanuts. And we hope you will stick around and check those out with us. There's Nora's Mills. We're going to go in and check it out. The mill's water powered, and everything is done scratch right here. We're gonna buy some of the flour. And this is the view right outside of the mill. It's absolutely gorgeous here. See if we can get the mill. I don't know if y'all can see this, but there's the mill right underneath it being turned by water that's actually turning the inside, making it where they can grind that corn. Oh, it's beautiful here. They're grinding the corn, making cornmeal. Here's the cornbread recipe, yellow self-rising flour cornmeal, and the Pioneer porridge, and the Dixie ice cream yellow grits. Our last destination on the trip, and this is Fred's famous Peanuts. Check all this out. Well, the Helen vacation's over and I'm home. It was a wonderful overnight vacation and desperately needed. The first day, I actually walked almost 23,000 steps. So by that evening, I was really tired and I did not do videos. The next day I was still tired, but we did make it over to Norris Mills. And the thing with Norris Mills is it was there when my grandmother lived there. My grandmother was on my father's side was born there in 1910, and she went to grade school there, and then the family moved from there. And so it was really special for me to get to go there. And I did do videos of it, and I bought some products from there. And I'm going to make recipes from some of these things and help promote Nora's Mills. And I also made it over to Fred's, which was really, really, it was just such a cute and authentic little peanut place. And we really enjoyed that. So stick around. I'm going to be doing German recipes that we put on video and German recipes that I didn't get on video, as well as some country recipes from the products that we got at Nora's Mills. And I really hope that you enjoyed that short, quick video because we really loved it. So next time, come into my kitchen and I'm going to show you some more recipes. Don't forget, push like, subscribe to my page, and until next time, from my home and vacation spots to yours, love and light.